Let's be honest. Sometimes, it's not your ideas that are the problem. It's how you say them. You know what you mean, but the words don't come out right. And suddenly, you feel awkward. So here are 10 simple but powerful words that can instantly make you sound more confident. First, confident. Instead of saying, I think maybe, say, I'm confident this will work. Second, clarify. Instead of staying confused, say, can you clarify that? Third, suggest. Instead of forcing your idea, say, I'd like to suggest something. Fourth, prefer. Instead of saying, anything is fine, say, I prefer this option. Fifth, explain. Instead of guessing, say, can you explain this? Sixth, agree. Simple and clear. I agree with that. Seventh, disagree, but respectfully. I disagree, and here's why. Eighth, improve. Instead of criticizing, say, this could be improved. Ninth, focus. Instead of getting lost, say, let's focus on the main point. 10th, understand. Always powerful. I understand your point. Now here's the truth. People don't judge you just by what you say. They judge you by how clearly you say it. So don't stay silent, just because you're unsure. Use simple words. Speak clearly. Because confidence in speaking is not about big vocabulary. It's about clarity.